How to delete all health data on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find the Health app and tap on it. You are now in the Health Settings page where you can manage your medical ID, share data with apps and devices, view and manage data sources and access for third-party apps, configure health checklists and more. Over here, go to the Data section and tap on Data Access and Devices. From the Apps section, go to Health. Here, tap on Delete all data from Health below. Tap on Delete again to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily delete all health data on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.